guys, this is Coach Kim in week 4 of the Legacy Lifestyle Program, where we're going to be talking about carbohydrates and fats, the importance of these two macronutrient groups, and kind of breaking down a lot of stuff about them. Okay. So, I know that there's a lot of noise out there, keto, low carb, low fat, all of the things. So I want to be clear and clear the air a bit, help you understand what they actually do in the body and why we don't want to fear them. Now, before we go on, remember this: calories are always king. That's always number one when it comes to weight loss or maintenance. Protein is queen. It keeps you full. You build and maintain muscle, support metabolism, and more. Once those two are locked in, then we can look at how we can balance our carbs and fats. And the good news is you've got some flexibility here. Unless I give you a specific plan to dial it in tighter, you can keep carbs and fats rather flexible. All right. But the importance of them is this: carbs, let's start here. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of energy. Think of them as gasoline for your car. When you eat a carb, whether it's fruit, veggies, rice, bread, your body breaks them down into glucose, and glucose fuels your brain, your muscles, and your organs. But here's where it gets a little interesting. Fiber is a type of carb that doesn't break down into glucose. Your body can't digest it, but it's still important because it helps with digestion, gut health, blood sugar regulation, and keeps you feeling fuller longer. And yes, when you eat carbs, your body releases insulin. It shuttles that glucose into your cells. That's totally normal. Insulin isn't the enemy. Problem only happens when there is a chronic overload of processed carbs, sugars, and not enough movement. So no, you don't have to cut carbs completely out. You just want to focus on quality carbs, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, high fiber options. Okay. Fats, on the other hand, don't be afraid of these either. Now, fats have gotten a bad rap in the past, but they have a vital part in your health. They help with hormone production, especially sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Pretty important for feeling balanced and energetic and mentally sharp. Fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. And guess what? They also help with feeling satisfied and satiated, so you're not constantly hungry. There are different types of fats: saturated, unsaturated, and yes, those trans fats. We want you to limit trans fats. Those are the artificial processed ones. But things like olive oil, avocado oil, nuts, seeds, and even some saturated fats from quality animal sources, those are all part of a healthy lifestyle. The bottom line: you don't need to eliminate entire food groups or demonize any macronutrients. Calories first, protein seconds, then balance your carbs and fats to suit your lifestyle, energy, and needs and goals. And if you get to a point where you have plateaued and chasing a specific goal, I might give you a more structure on those carbs and fats. But for now, just focus on eating real food and fueling your body like it deserves. This is about building a healthy, strong, sustainable lifestyle, not just hitting a number on the scale. So don't fear the food groups. Just track, weigh, and measure everything as you go, hitting your calories number 1, protein number 2, allowing carbohydrates and fats to be flexible until I say otherwise, and you will get amazing results.